Alright, Nathan and Brett here from SEQH, and we're about to launch something pretty exciting here at Hemmant headquarters.
We are. What we thought we'd do, Nath, is just roll back a little bit and look at some history and just work out how we got here and what our plans are going forward.
Wind the tape.
Hi, welcome to Firestone Avenue Eagle Farm. This is where my family and I acquired East Queensland Hauliers, a business that was started by Rod Hungerford and his partners back in the 60s. This was ground zero for us. We started here with about 15 trucks, and this site probably wasn't as polished as it is today. It's a little bit flashier today, but from here we started, and from here little things turned into bigger things. Welcome to Hugh Street, Pinken Bar. We moved here in the early 2000s, having desired to move out of our rented accommodation over in Eagle Farm. So we developed the facility behind us. This was our base for upwards of almost 10 years. And it was in that stage we decided to move away from tippers and an emphasis on tipping bulk product to focus more on the wharf and containers. And Owen joined us in 2004. That was about 2004, right?
I came along in May 2004. I actually started with broken ribs. I had an accident with a ladder in the bathroom and busted my ribs, and they hadn't actually healed, so I came to work with busted ribs. And at that time, I was the container department, as Brett mentioned briefly. There wasn't too many trucks, too much happening, and I was the only person in the group in there. Sad to leave Pinken Bar, but we moved over to Hemmant, and we started the hub system over there.
That was in 2006, wasn't it?
2006, yeah.
That's right.
We did that. I remember many a night out here where we actually up next to a block and out the road here where we were actually moving containers or trucks that come off the wharf and putting them and getting ready for tomorrow's delivery. And 9 o'clock at night was a regular occurrence around here.
I think wouldn't it be good if we had container handlers?
Yeah, we did. And 2006, we actually got one.
We got one, that's right. Our first container handler. We're here today to talk about something exciting, as we said previously. We've just been through a history of SEQH, from the 60s, from those humble beginnings, through even humbler place at Eagle Farm, through Pinken Bar, now to our brand new facility here in Hemmant. It's been a progression. It's been a progression based on service, a focus on the wharf, and execution. Without good execution, we don't have a business. So that's kind of the history of what's brought it to this place. We are a major player on the port down in Brisbane. So with that in mind, it's now time for something new for us, and to push boundaries as we continue to do. It's time to look at how we brand ourselves in the market. So we're here today to release our new brand.
So SEQH, Southeast Queensland Hauliers, or as we have here, SEQH for short. And I guess, what are the reasons why? What do you see the big change for, Brett?
Nathan, it's time after 70 years to freshen up our brand. It's a fresh new look and reflects our position in the marketplace.
And the whole goal that I've seen, looking at the history of the company, is Brett's vision's been to be a full service wharf logistics provider. And for me, I see this sort of signifies that accomplishment over those decades that we're here organically. So thanks for everyone for your contribution
And support.
your support. It's really valued, and we look forward to working with you in the future.